Since its founding in 1953, the Ohio Association of Student Leaders has offered summer leadership education and development programs to students from across the state of Ohio. Our summer workshops have been OASL's signature and premier experience that many describe as life-changing and the highlight of their summer. Within the context of the current COVID-19 health crisis, it has become apparent that OASL summer workshops will not be able to occur in their traditional format for 2020. We acknowledge, honor, and share the feelings of disappointment that may come for students, advisors, and administrators from the inability to attend an in-person workshop experience. At the same time, we also know that crisis often provides opportunity for growth and innovation. As an organization, we are committed to maintaining the growth mindset and resilient spirit that we cultivate through our programs, and to rise to the occasion by evaluating opportunities and embracing possibility to create virtual opportunities that engage student leaders and serve schools in new and exciting ways. While no experience can ever replace our traditional in-person workshops, OASL is pleased to share with our community a fun and engaging virtual summer workshop experience. This virtual summer workshop includes many of the hallmark sessions, experiences, and themes from our classic middle level and senior high workshop programs that have been redesigned and reimagined for an effective virtual learning environment. This 5-day experience will include a balance of on-screen activities and discussions, as well as off-screen activities and reflection opportunities. Workshops will still include everything from morning aerobics to small council breakout activities, large group sessions, our favorite Songfest, Funfest talent shows, and opportunities for students to connect one-on-one with each other. New sessions for this virtual workshop include keynote speakers, a leadership panel, live entertainment, and opportunities for students to share leadership insights and ideas in both upbeat and reflective virtual formats. We have prepared a virtual summer workshop highlights flyer that shares more details about what you can look forward to at workshop this summer. We hope you will stop by our website, oasl-oh.org, to take a look through all the fun and learning we have in store for you. The magic of summer workshop has never been about a physical place. The magic is created through the chance to engage in authentic and meaningful ways with one another, and shared through our efforts to incorporate the lessons and love we experience at workshop into our everyday lives. This is why we are confident that together we can reimagine summer workshop and create a virtual experience that develops and shares the OASL magic as always, and in new ways. We sincerely hope that you will join us on this new and exciting virtual journey. It will not be the same without you, and we look forward to seeing you soon. Here's to keeping the OASL love and learning alive, not only this summer, but for future summers to come. In the OASL spirit, the Ohio Association of Student Leaders. Serve, connect, inspire.